All right, and today we are rounding out high school competition season with the Ford ACE competition here at Manchester Community College.
Really excited to be here today at the 3rd annual Ford ACE competition held at Manchester Community College. Really excited and proud of all of the kids here today. We have representatives from 10 automotive high school programs across the state. The contest continues to grow. This year, for a grand prize, we have a 2024 F-150 for the winning school. This is put on by our local New Hampshire Ford and Lincoln dealerships, which speaks to their character and their commitment to the industry and growing the Education Workforce Alliance.
We've given the students some prizes, and the winners are going to get a Milwaukee Impact tool set and a DVOM meter, which has helped them through their career. But we're all about helping the students because we've done this over the years and we know the industry needs them as much as they can.
We are here for the 2025 New Hampshire Ford ACE competition, which is very exciting. So thank you all.
That $500 to attend the asset program here at Manchester Community College, and that goes to Portsmouth High School, Brody and Zach. For second place, we have Dover High School, and that is in first place. That will go home with a $1,000 scholarship to the asset program here at Manchester Community College, as well as a scholarship from the NHADA for $750 as well for the asset program here at Manchester Community College. And that goes to SST Ryan and Caleb.
We just won first place in the Ford Asset program.
Yeah, we did. We won a big toolbox, won this truck. Very nice. It feels great because we were here last year. I was here last year and kind of just got second place, so we kind of just had to take it home.
Yeah, we had one more chance to do something cool before we graduate, so it feels pretty good. Thank you to Ford.
Yeah, thank you to Ford, the Manchester Community College, all the scholarships.
Our amazing auto teachers.
And the toolboxes, yeah.